Have you ever wondered how much of your daily life is subtly impacted by artificial intelligence? It's more than you might think. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has woven itself into the fabric of our society. From the suggestions you get while shopping online to the voice assistant that wakes you up in the morning, AI is everywhere. It's become so ingrained that we often don't realize its presence. Artificial intelligence in its myriad forms has become a silent partner, enhancing our daily experiences. Let's dive into a field where AI is making significant strides: healthcare. Consider Google's DeepMind, an AI program that's predicting eye diseases before they even occur. Or think about AI algorithms that are aiding in the early detection of cancer. These advancements are revolutionizing healthcare, offering personalized medicine and drastically reducing diagnostic errors. Through AI, we are witnessing a paradigm shift in healthcare, offering hope for better and more accessible medical solutions. Moving beyond healthcare, AI's benefits permeate the environment and economy too. In the realm of environmental sustainability, AI is playing a pivotal role. It's being used to predict weather patterns with exceptional accuracy, helping us prepare for natural disasters and mitigate their impact. AI is also at the forefront of climate modeling, enabling us to better understand climate change and devise effective strategies to counter it. Turning to the economy, the influence of AI is equally profound. It's driving productivity to new heights, enabling businesses to operate more efficiently and effectively. AI is not only creating jobs but also fostering entirely new industries, from autonomous vehicles to AI-driven cybersecurity. It's a propelling force for economic growth, contributing to wealth generation and prosperity. In essence, AI's potential to boost economic growth and tackle environmental challenges is truly transformative. It's not just a technological marvel, but a tool that's shaping our world for the better. AI's reach isn't limited to healthcare or economy, it's reshaping education and accessibility too. Imagine a classroom where learning is tailored to each student's needs, making education more engaging and effective. That's the power of AI. It's not just about academics. AI is transforming lives, aiding individuals with disabilities. Think AI-powered prosthetic limbs that respond like natural ones, or apps that assist the visually impaired. AI is democratizing education and accessibility, breaking barriers and creating a more inclusive world. So, what do these examples tell us about the role of AI in our lives? Well, it's clear that AI is revolutionizing healthcare, introducing techniques that save lives and enhance our well-being. It's driving economic growth and environmental sustainability, innovating industries and fostering a greener planet. It's transforming education and accessibility, breaking down barriers and creating opportunities. Artificial intelligence is more than just a technological marvel. It's a tool that's shaping our future, making the world a better place, one algorithm at a time.